how to process a multi-line or multi-item card payment sale on the CountLab 2 cash register. As with any sales transaction, key needs to be in the REG position. You then enter the first line of the transaction, the value. So for £12, 1200, you assign that to a department button, so department 1 for example. You repeat the procedure for every line of the transaction. You'll notice I'm not typing in the decimal point, it's the till's putting that in for me. Once you've entered all the lines of the transaction, press subtotal. That subtotal is displayed on the operator display and also on the customer rear display. You now take the payment using the credit card terminal, and when that's gone through you can press the card button. The cash drawer fires as long as you've got it unlocked, so you can pop in your copy of the credit card transaction into the cash drawer if you print one out, and then if you've got the receipt switched on, then you get a customer receipt printout as well. Thanks for watching.